Hey folks, how you doing out there? Hope all is well. Just a quickie to share with you. Last year for Father's Day, the General, she really surprised me. Got a nice buffing machine so I could keep her car in top-notch shape, and a reciprocating saw to get some yard work done. So this year I was in the market for a circular saw, just for some different projects with the system here from Craftsman, and stumbled upon a couple of tools I thought were very interesting. Well, lo and behold, here it is, Father's Day again, and the General has surprised me once more. So I want to share with you a couple of tools that might just come in handy at the slot car bench. First up is their Rotary tool. Yes, their version of the Dremel, and yes, the chuck size is the same, so all your Dremel bits will fit in here, of course. And this is how it works. Here I have the 4 battery on here. Doesn't matter. You can use the 2, and that's how it goes. So there's your pack right there, and it just slips on and locks on there. You can use either one, and I have to tell you, plenty of power. This grips it really well. Turn it on. Now, adjustability. I can't tell you how much I like that. Just adjustability like that, the speed. Anybody that uses these knows adjusting that speed is just priceless to have that knob. So there we go on low, and it's pretty strong. Works very well. Now you turn it off, and remember, on these battery packs, like a lot of them, you can just press the button. It tells you how much charge you have left. But I really like this. Again, mobility. Pick it up, move it, take it out, take it to the track, put it in your toolbox. I like that. Second thing, the soldering station. Again, this one here, I just have the 2 battery on it. The battery packs that you can buy come with both sizes, so you get that and a charger, and then it'll say something like get a free tool, this and that. Just depends on the promotion. But this soldering iron, look at this. It's just great. Perfect for light electrical work. And again, you have what? Adjustability. That right there is just, like I said, that's just priceless. To be able to adjust the heat of this iron. So many irons just go bad. You plug them in and they're just way too hot. And this works wonders. So we'll fire this up, solder a wire here just to show you that it works. And I'll tell you, you wouldn't be disappointed if you chose it. So you can see right here your temperature adjust. I've got the battery locked in. Just press the button. Now you can turn this up. It's going to start heating until you get the green light. Then it's set at that certain temperature that you want. So 400 to 900, perfect for light work. Alright, so there's not a temperature indicator, but I turned it about a quarter of the way, and the green light came on. That should be enough for some light wiring. I'm sure it is. So just a touch right there. There you go. So again, perfect for things like this. And again, the adjustability and the mobility. I really like it. And you can change tips if you want to. Standard setting, flat tip screw right there, loosen that, pull it out, and most any Weller brand that I've tested will fit the same and work just fine. And if this is your first rotary tool, it does come with a few attachments, but like I said, all the Dremel attachments, they'll fit this as well. But it's nice to have a little starter kit like this. So I have to tell you, I'm really pleased with these. Like I said, just the mobility for one. So mobility and adjustability, they just have it. I really like this. Now, is it worth it to get these if you don't already have the battery pack system? Well, that's up to you. Likely not. There's other options out there, Dremel, you know, your standard Wellers things. But if you already have the 20-volt battery system, might be worth looking at. Again, this system, the battery, if you check Lowe's, other promotional areas, $99. you get both battery packs, and you usually get a free tool. Like, for example, with the Father's Day sale going on, you can get this battery set and get a skill saw or whatever, an extra tool, sometimes two, like a weed eater, leaf blower, things like that. So just check your local Lowe's and the promotions just to see if there's anything there to interest you if you don't already have a cordless system. But really, I like this. Just nice quality, and that adjustability on both of them. Well, that's just the big thing to me. Anyhow, hope this helps you guys if you're looking for a set like this and you like the cordless aspect. And as always, look forward to hearing your feedback online. Y'all take care.